In this example, we need to find the derivative of this function given as f of x is equal to 5x times e to the power x. So how can we find the derivative of this? We can see here when we look into this function, we have actually product of two functions, right? 5x and e to the power x. So if that is the case, we need to use the product rule. And how the product rule works, what is the formula? If we have a function f times g, then the derivative of that is equal to, we need to write down the first function as it is, multiply by the derivative of the second, plus find the derivative of the first function, multiply by the second function as it is. So if that is the case, let's try to assume this is our f and then this is our g. On that case, let's try to assume f is 5x and then g is equal to e to the power x, and let's find what is f prime and then g prime, because that's what we have on this formula, right? So let's find f prime. What is the derivative of the 5x with respect to x? By using the constant multiple rule and power rule, we can get that is as 5, right? So is equal, so that's the f prime. Let's find g prime. And what is the derivative of e to the power x? Derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x. So we have f prime, g prime, right? So now if that is the case, we can find the derivative of the given function. So how do we do that? On the formula we have here f, so let's write down whatever is our f, so 5x, and then on the formula now we have g prime is e to the power x, so let's write that down, plus in the formula we have f prime and then f prime is 5, so let's write that down. In the formula we have g, and g is equal to e to the power x, so let's also write that down. So this is the derivative of the given function. If you want to write down this into the alternative form, then this can be written as 5 times x times e to the power x plus 5 times e to the power x, right? When we remove the parentheses, and we can still see here we can actually take 5 times e to the power x as a common factor. We can take that out and the remainder will be x plus 1, and this is the derivative of the given function 5x times e to the power x.